high, airplane. Up high. Up high. Bye-bye. That airplane, is it silly? Bye. Yeah? Okay. Oh. Are you mad because Mommy's not understanding? Yeah? Is it frustrating when Mommy doesn't understand? Yeah? Yeah, quick little head itch. Dakota's got that football. Got the football? Nice throw. Airplane? You hear it? Do you see it? See it? Yeah. See it? Up there? The dogs? Are they getting somebody? Whoa. Dogs? Play? Airplane. Wee. Go? Go. You tell him, come on. Uh-oh. Go? Where's the football? Football? Get your football. It's over there. It's over there. Good job. Say ta-da. Good job. Peace? Oh. You hear the airplane again?